Hello and welcome to this lecture on T-SQL null values. In this lecture, you will learn what null values are and also how we can access the null values in a table. What are null values in T-SQL? Null values represent missing or unspecified data. So whereby you have data in a column that has not been specified or is missing, it can be represented with a null value. How do we check if a table has got null value? We can check this using an operator, a T-SQL operator known as isNull. So this is how we would do it. I have already written the query here. So I have got some tables here. The table I've got here is called the production table from the production schema. This schema, and this is a table. The database is called Adventure Works. So I need to select the database here from the database drop down. Select that. So that's the database here. So to find out if there are any null values in this table called product, I would use the operator called isNull. That means I'm telling it to reveal any data in that table that has got null values. So let me execute. The where clause here is used to act as a filter, so it will filter only records that match this criteria. So let's do execution. See, so with the where clause, I've been able to extract the data that is null. So this null here has been displayed here. So on this table here has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This table has got 5 null values represented in this column here. The column called color has got 5 null. So this is how you would get the null values out of a table. When I say get them out, I mean this is how you would reveal them. There's also another operator we can use with this. This isNull will show the null values in a column. There's another operator called not is. So the isNot will select records that have no null value. So I'll just copy and paste this script here and change the operator to isNot null. What this operator will do, it will only return records that exclude the null values. So let me run this query. I should not expect to see any null values in the output. So I click execute. So you can see it has not returned any null values. So if I look through all, it's removed all the null value. So the isNot will return output excluding the null values. The isNull will return output that includes the null values. In this lecture, we covered what null values are in T-SQL and also how to access the null values in a database table using the isNull operator, and also use the isNotNull operator to display records excluding the null values. Thank you so much for your time.